Are you tired of hearing about secret money glitches that never actually work? Today we are looking at AzonEmpire. The sales page claims you can flip one switch and start making over $300 a day on complete autopilot. But is it real or just another overhyped software? Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly what is inside and give you the honest truth. Welcome back to App Verdict. Here's my quick take on AzonEmpire. If you are looking for a magic button that makes you rich by tomorrow, close this video. Those claims are just marketing hype. But if you want a simple, automated tool to help you push affiliate links and drive traffic without showing your face or building a website from scratch, this app will actually save you a massive amount of time. So what exactly is AzonEmpire? It is a cloud-based AI application designed to hijack buyer traffic and redirect it to your Amazon affiliate links. The target audience here is complete beginners. If you have no technical skills, no email list, and zero budget for running ads, this was built specifically for you. The main problem it solves is the technical nightmare of affiliate marketing. You do not need to build complex sales funnels. You do not need to shoot videos or sell to strangers. The AI does the heavy lifting by hunting for profitable niches and pushing your links to places where buyers are already hanging out. Plus, if you click the link in the description right now, I've put together a massive exclusive bonus package to help you get traffic even faster. I will reveal all of those bonuses in just a minute. Let's jump right into the screen recording so you can see how it works. When you log in, you'll notice the dashboard is incredibly clean. There is no confusing code or complex menus. It's designed to be idiot-proof. Step 1 is picking your niche. You can type in whatever topic you want or just click a button and let the AI pick a high-converting niche for you. Step 2 is where the magic happens. You simply hit the activate switch. The software goes out, creates the content, and weaves your unique Amazon affiliate ID directly into the traffic flow. It handles the writing and the posting automatically. You just set it up once and let it run in the background while you go about your day.
Did you hear that? That tiny ping on your phone while you were just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. That was the sound of a smart agent capturing a slice of the $2.1 billion flowing through Amazon today. And it happened while you were watching TV, or taking a nap, or just staring out the window. This is not a dream. This is what your life will be with AzonEmpire, my friend. For the last few years, you've watched the world go crazy over something called AI. You've seen the news reports and the young kids talking about coding and prompts like it's a second language. And if you're like most people, you felt a cold shiver of being left behind. You felt like the world was moving too fast and you were stuck on the sidelines. But what if I told you that being bad with computers is actually your biggest secret advantage? What if I told you that the smart people are failing because they are trying too hard to understand the tech, while a tiny group of people who can barely check their email are quietly using a self-running machine to hijack the Amazon cash flow? You don't need to be a genius to win. You just need to own the genius. Hey, my name is Art, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you AzonEmpire, the first and only lazy AI built specifically for people who are tired of being told they need to learn something new. Think about a giant, invisible river of money that flows through the Amazon marketplace every single second of the day. Billions of dollars moving from buyers to sellers. Most people try to jump into that river with a bucket, and they end up drowning in hard work. But AzonEmpire is like a high-tech siphon that sits on the bank. It finds the money leaks that Jeff Bezos doesn't even know exist, and it quietly pumps those commissions into your account while you live your life. This is the missing piece you have been searching for since the day you first went online. It is the only tool that doesn't ask you to be creative or smart or technical. It is a digital predator that goes out into the marketplace to hunt for you. It doesn't matter if you're retired or working a job you hate, or just looking for a way to finally feel included in the future.
AzonEmpire applies to your life because it replaces the work with automation.
When you go to the grocery store, the AI is scanning for profit. When you are playing with your kids, the AI is hijacking commissions. When you are fast asleep and snoring, the AI is working overtime to fill your dashboard. This is bigger than any course or any side hustle you've ever seen. This is about becoming the insider who finally has the unfair advantage. You are getting the full AzonEmpire AI agent, the one that does 100% of the thinking for you. You are getting the grandchild-proof setup that takes less than 60 seconds to activate. You are getting the global license to hunt for cash in every country on Earth. And you are getting the peace of mind that comes from knowing you never have to sell anything to anyone ever again. We have stacked the deck so heavily in your favor that it almost feels like cheating. But it isn't. It's just being smarter than the people who choose to stay broke. Imagine the feeling of walking into a room and knowing that you are making more money than the tech experts who are half your age. Imagine the look of shock on their faces when they realize you've cracked the code while they're still struggling to find a job. You deserve to feel that win. You deserve to finally have a system that doesn't let you down. Your life of trying is officially over, and your life of having is just beginning.
But the door to the AzonEmpire is closing fast.
The price is going up. This is your one chance to grab the easy button before it's gone forever. And just to remove any doubts or risks from your shoulder, your purchase is protected by our 30 days money-back guarantee.
Go ahead and create your account with AzonEmpire.
And if for any reason you didn't like it or don't think it's worth its weight in gold, just send us a message and we will refund every penny you've paid. No questions. Don't let this be another thing you almost did. Be the person who took action and changed everything with one single click. The AI is ready to start its first hunt for you right now.
Click the button below and let's get your empire started right now.
Now let's talk about the pricing and the upgrades. The front-end basic version is just $17. This gets you in the door and lets you test the system. But to really scale this up, you need to know about the upgrades in the funnel. Upgrade 1 is the Infinite Edition for $147. The front end has limits, but this upgrade removes them all. You get unlimited campaigns and unlimited clicks. If you're serious about making money, this is the one you really need. Upgrades 2 and 3 are the Done For You and Automation packs. They run between $39 and $297. They give you ready-to-sell websites and fully automated campaigns. This is perfect if you want to skip the setup entirely and just plug into proven systems. Let's talk about my exclusive bonus stock. If you grab AzonEmpire through the link below this video, I'm giving you 10 premium tools to absolutely guarantee your success. You won't find these anywhere else. Bonus 1 is Pin Marketer. This automates your Pinterest tasks to drive massive free traffic directly to your new Amazon links. Bonus 2 is 100 ready-made niche blogs. You get instant assets packed with content to build your authority and drive search engine traffic. Bonus 3 is Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. This tool finds the hidden buyer keywords that your competitors are completely ignoring. Bonus 4 is the Amazon Store Builder. Easily build a massive storefront with millions of Amazon products to multiply your daily commissions. Bonus 5 is WP Email Timer Plus. Add visual countdown timers to your pages to force people to take action and buy quickly. Bonus 6 is Conversion Equalizer. This automatically boosts your landing page conversion rates so you make more money from the same traffic. Bonus 7 is Lead Book Generator. Automatically capture targeted leads and build a profitable email list on autopilot. Bonus 8 is WP Slideshow Master. Create eye-catching, flexible slideshows to instantly boost your website engagement. Bonus 9 is Soci Ultima. This is an all-in-one social media marketing tool to boost your traffic across all major platforms for free. Bonus 10 is WP Video Focus. This keeps your videos pinned to the screen as people scroll, so you never lose a viewer's attention. You get all 10 of these premium tools for free, but only if you use the link in the description below this video. Here's my final verdict. AzonEmpire is a solid, easy-to-use automation tool for beginners who want to tap into the Amazon affiliate program without doing the manual grunt work. For a one-time fee of $17, it's a low-risk investment in your business. However, you must act fast. My custom bonus package is strictly limited to the first 25 buyers only. Once those 25 spots are gone, I'm pulling these bonuses down for good to protect the value for the fast action takers. Do not wait and miss out on over $2,000 in free software. Click the link in the description below right now to secure your copy of AzonEmpire and lock in your 10 exclusive bonuses before they're gone. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your purchase receipt area as soon as you check out on Warrior Plus. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions about the software, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest reviews and marketing strategies. See you in the next video.